Hello and welcome to this training video by the Education Training and Research Unit, Ministry of Health. In this short training video, we are going to demonstrate how to make a talking poster. First, we would like all registrants to go to nhrs.health.gov.lk and uh, at the middle of the page, you would find something called the poster presentation guideline. Would like you to download that. And in this guideline, you would see that you would be given the guideline about how to prepare your presentation, and you are instructed to follow these guidelines quite strictly. The issue of the abstract number will be issued to you either through email or through WhatsApp or another messaging service. Now let's look at the PowerPoint presentation itself. We recommend that you use Microsoft PowerPoint, as the other software it might differ. So first of all, we have to set up the design of the slides. We go to design and we go to slide size, custom slide size, and we have to select here on screen show 16 by 9 and make sure that it is on the slides it is saying portrait. It's very important because the TV in the presentation area will be in portrait mode. We click OK and then it says, do we want to maximize? Yes, we say yes, and we would get a portrait style like this, and then we would follow the poster guidelines and prepare the poster. I am adding a poster which has been previously prepared as a sample. Once we have completed our poster design, we would now go to the slideshow section, and this has an area called record slideshow. So we would now click record from the current slide. So I'm going to do that now. And you would come to an interface like this, and you can click record. And now you would be recording the poster, and it would ideally be less than 5 minutes. Once it is done, click stop and press escape key to exit the presentation. Another small fine tuning that has to be done is to hide this icon because it will obstruct the poster. And to click this icon, right click it and then click send to back. Now the icon is disappeared and now the poster is again visible. Now we would go to save this and we go to file, export and create video. Do not try to change any settings here, just click create video and label this presentation ideally with the abstract poster number that you have got. So in my case I would say 675, right? And click save, and here you would see at the bottom the actual poster being saved. Once that is done, you may now share that either through email or WhatsApp or whatever messaging channel and share it with the poster committee who will be contacting you. Thank you.